Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Myperfectcv Resume Builder app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Myperfectcv is a resume building app designed to help users create professional, polished, and ATS-friendly resumes quickly. It offers customizable templates, pre-written phrases for skills and experience, guided editing, and options to build matching cover letters. The app focuses on making resume creation simple for job seekers, especially those who don't have design experience. It's available on both iOS and Android, and users can download their resume in multiple formats once completed. The app's main feature is its template-based builder. You choose a layout, fill in your details, and the app formats everything neatly. It also provides job-specific suggestions, grammar help, and the ability to switch templates instantly without losing formatting. This makes it easier to tailor resumes for different roles. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its professional templates, easy interface, and the time it saves during job applications. The guided prompts help users who are unsure how to describe their experience, and the ATS-friendly formatting increases the chances of passing screening systems. However, there are some drawbacks. While you can create a resume for free, downloading or exporting often requires a subscription. Some users mention unexpected charges or difficulty canceling. Additionally, the customization options can feel limited if you prefer fully personalized designs. In summary, the Myperfectcv app may be worth using if you want a simple, guided way to create clean, professional resumes quickly. However, if you prefer fully free tools or advanced customization without subscription costs, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.